let's get into the video. Morning. Happy Friday to you. Listen, tired. I am so tired. I went to bed after 3 and it's now almost 8 o'clock, right? I want to sleep. We started at 9, so I already packed last night. Yeah, I slept. There's no comforter on the bed. I found that blanket in the closet, and that's what I used to, you know, keep myself warm. So we're gonna go outside now. You hear that? She's just beautiful out there. It is so beautiful out there. So I'm going to get ready so I can go down and have breakfast and make it for 9 o'clock, so we can finish early and then come back up to the room, do any little thing that I have to do, or maybe sleep for 1 hour until checkout time, and then try and get some food, you know. But it's a beautiful day in Runaway Bay. Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh my god, take a screenshot and put it at your screensaver. Okay, so I'm all ready, and yeah, so I'm all ready. I'm late. Bye. So that's a wrap on retreat. It was a wonderful 3 days. So I'm going to my room now to pick up my toiletry bag and check out, and then we have until 4 o'clock. It's now almost 11. So come here, sweat. Long walk from the room. Whew. Oh, sweaty man. Long walk from the room. This is what you see when you enter the hotel. What's in front of me? That there. Give you a tour. So we're gonna check out. So shy. So we're at the checkout counter now. Check out. Come here, sir, man. This is a sin. Oh, I'm in the buffet area and eat a hot box. The food area over there, so I know me now. I'm not showing it anywhere. Sasha, I stop look at me. No. Then, so it's, I think after 2 now. So it's after 2 now, so waiting on to leave out the bus to get here. I want to sleep though, pack up the foil paper and Ziploc bag. And review of the hotel. It's good so far. Only complaint is the food selection isn't great. The salmon last night was awful and the elevator system just not good. But it's a great hotel and I'll be back. But it's a great hotel so far. Let me see. If anything else I want to say, the staff are friendly, they're nice. I refer to them by name. It's on their name tag, of course. And I don't know if there's anything else. The rooms are very clean and they're newly renovated. Yeah, food good, right, Sasha? Yes, food is good. Yeah. The distance from my room to go eat food is long. But it's a good, it was a good couple of days. It wasn't the weekend, it was Wednesday to Friday. And yeah, it was just an awesome time, a great time. And so, with that said, I am signing off this video. Enjoy your Friday. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. And remember to do good and good will always follow you. Bye. Yeah, man, walking that video. What is it? Hey,
What's your number, lady?
405. 7, yeah. Thank you.
Okay. wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.